Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my HOBONICHI weeks that I use for work for the week of, what is that, Monday, February 21st through to February 27th. And this week I'm actually really excited to be using Love Blooms from According to Ally. I might bring in some of her blush alcohol ink and maybe some of this washi or some of this washi. We'll see. Let's get started. Okay, so Monday I actually have off, so that will be nice. I'm just thinking I could actually put a floral up in that corner because I never put a floral on Monday. So, ooh, hold on. So like if I put a floral there with some of this washi. Because in Canada here it is Family Day, and I know in the US it is President's Day. So I'm going to put this on without taking up too much room down here either. Oh, I love that already. Then I don't want to use a ton of these stickers, but they're so pretty. So I want to take some of this, take this piece here, and I'm going to cut this in half so that I can use one half on this side and then the other half on this side, like it's, here we go. Oh, what did I get under there? Oh, it's like the fluff from my fountain pen case. Ew. Oh, now that it's gonna, oh, now it's gonna look like it's, oh, I'm gonna cover that probably with washi or a floral. Let's stick to this hexagon washi. See, I really like it, and I feel like it goes with almost anything. So let's put this like this. And do I want to use a bigger floral? Yes, I do. And careful not to rip the sticker, especially with the floral stickers with like the little buds and stuff. I want to make sure that I get everything and don't rip it. There we go. Oh, that's pretty. I'm just going to cut it. And you guys know how I feel. They're stickers. I think that being able to cut them and use them, oh yes, and then it covers up that gross spot. Okay. And then this, hold on. Okay, let's put this here. Being able to cut them is part of the fun of stickers. So if you can cut them, you're able to, I feel like you could do a little bit more with them. Okay, it doesn't fully cover that, but oh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. Then I might actually just leave that. Ooh, do I want to put any more here? Not really. Maybe if I just do this. This might help even if I just add a bit of color this way. One of the things I forgot to do was down this side here. And the pink doesn't match exactly, but it does add a bit of color. You know what? I actually really like that. It's pretty. It is simple, and now I'm gonna go in and write down the meetings that I have for the week. But what ink am I gonna use? Which pen do I wanna use? Do I wanna use my Pilot Vanishing Point, or do I want to use the Cross Botanica? Because I've loved to ink this in here. Love this ink. I'm gonna go with this one. So that's my Cross Botanica Green Daylily, and it currently has Herbin Rouille. I can never say it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and write in my meetings, and I'll be right back. There's my overall finished spread. I do love that ink, but it matches with that, and it feels like it doesn't match properly, but it does match. Ugh, I love it. Love that ink, and I love the way that this spread looks. It's simple. I've really only used 1, 2, 3 stickers plus a little bit of washi. It doesn't take a lot to decorate the Hobonichi weeks, which is why I absolutely love it, and I'm still left with a ton of writing room for work. But that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.